Honorable District Governor and my dear fellow Lions, a warm greetings to you all, and I wish you all a very very happy and prosperous Telugu New Year. You have got to stay patient, stay in the moment, keep grinding. You never know what happened. There is no substitute for the hard work. Always be humble and hungry. These quotes are very very apt for my dear and close friend Mr. Juluri Raghu. I feel very happy and pleasure to present this guy, and our Lions Club of Hyderabad Everest proudly presents our chat president Lion Juluri Raghu as the candidate for the first vice district governor for the Lion District 320A for the Lion District year 2021 and 22. Mr. Raghu is well known for his leadership abilities, humbleness, dedication and commitment. He is an excellent team leader as well a team player. He does teamwork with a great spirit and good team spirit. Positive attitude and friendly approach are some of the best qualities of him. He is a man of integrity and he has respect for elders. He takes every responsibility very seriously, plans meticulously and gets the desired results with his organizational skills and abilities. Over the years we have seen him and all the Lion friends of our District 320A know very well about his excellent coordination. He gave for senior citizens program every year under the guidance of his elder brother and our past district governor Sri Juluri Ramesh Babu. Equally, he made teachers honoring program successfully for the last 5 years. Tributes to our dear Lion M.R. Reddy Garu. It is unfortunate and unexpected. His exit created an opportunity today for Mr. Raghu to contest for the post of first vice district governor. We can't replace M.R. Reddy Garu, but certainly Mr. Raghu will live up to his dreams. Our home club, Lions Club of Hyderabad Everest, is 18 years old club and very active in our Lion District 320A. Our club looks like Juluri Raghu as a leader par excellence, a lovable personality, a true friend to many. Mr. Raghu started his Lionistic journey in the year 2003 as a charter president for Lions Club of Hyderabad Everest, and in his journey he received many laurels and accolades as a regional chairperson, district chairperson for honoring teachers and senior citizens program. He is the recipient of International Presidential Medal during the year 2011-12, and during this year 2020-21 under his Raghu's leadership, Lions Club of Hyderabad Everest extended 3 more Lions Club and 1 Leo Club. Mr. Raghu had many business achievements. Now I read out his association and partnerships with different organizations. He is the director of Star Homes Infrastructure Private Limited. He is the partner in Maha Mines and Minerals. He is the joint secretary and life member of Jaladiz Educational Society, and he is the partner in Vaishnavi Agrofarms. He is the charter president for Golden Star KCGF Legends Hyderabad. He is the district coordinator for membership and growth in Vasavi Clubs International. He is the member of Hyderabad Vaisya Youth Association. He is the member of Vasavi Seva Kendram Hyderabad. Now, our Lions Club of Hyderabad Everest proudly presents Mr. Raghu, a sincere leader, dynamic leader who shows the way to success and works the way for success. Thank you all.